Legendary comedy writer Bruce Vilanch, you've been summoned to jury duty. Red carpet host Melissa Rivers, you've been summoned to jury duty. Takia Crystal Keymah, star of That's So Raven, you've been summoned to jury duty.
I won!
The only court show where celebrity jurors decide the outcome of your case. Jury duty. Don't even try getting out of it.
All rise. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Judge, Bruce Cutler, presides.
Thank you, Sergeant.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello to the jurors, and hello, everybody, and please sit down. It's good to have everyone here today. This is a case involving Cynthia Rosenfeld, jurors, and everyone else, is suing the defendants, Barbara and Martin Seaman, for $530. Veterinarian costs incurred for the injuries suffered when the defendant's dog, Lexi, that's your dog, correct, allegedly attacked the plaintiff's dog, Shayna. Shayna is in the court, I heard, and
right there
is relaxing there. Ms. Rosenfeld, what are we doing here? Why are you suing the Seamans? Is it because they're a soft touch?
No.
Or because
no.
you feel that Shayna was bitten by Lexi?
Shayna was bitten by Lexi. She was running with another dog that was on the other side where she was bit, and the dog was behind her. And then Lexi came up while Shayna was running and ran in front of her. No one actually saw it, but two other people besides myself witnessed Lexi running in front of Shayna in that area and heard a yelp.
This is a dog park?
It's a dog park.
Sounds like a circumstantial case to me. But let's see, let's see, and that doesn't mean
Okay.
it's a weak case. Circumstantial evidence is as strong as direct evidence, so keep
Well,
going.
two other people and one other person was standing very close to the area where Shayna was and actually saw Lexi go in front of Shayna. And another person who was near me, about 188 feet away, saw Lexi run in front of Shayna
Yes,
in the area on that side where she was bitten.
How many dogs run around in that park at about the time that Shane is there?
In that immediate area, it was just Shayna, Lexi, and one other dog who was behind Shayna on the other side of her.
Okay. Is there anything else? Keep going.
And there were other dogs in the front of the park. Okay, so when Lexi ran in front of Shayna, we heard a yelp.
Yes.
But as normal to Shayna and other greyhounds, when they finish running, they go and lie down.
I see.
So she went and lied down, and I didn't think anything of it.
What happened then?
And then a little while later, I got in the car and went with a friend just to get something to eat for about 40 minutes. And I got home and I went to take off her collar, which you can see is really thick.
Yes.
And I noticed there was a gash in her neck. And I immediately took her to emergency because it was a Sunday night.
Veterinarian?
Yes, and the veterinarian statement was that it was a bite wound trauma to the neck. She had quite a few stitches and she had tubes in her neck. I have pictures of that.
Yes, I read that and I saw that.
And I called the Siemens that next day telling them what happened, and they said absolutely not. My dog was nowhere near your dog.
What do you have to say about this?
Well, I'm the one who was at the dog park that night. When I was there were about, 12 to 15 dogs at the dog park. And I remember Shayna being there, and I remember petting Shayna. And I remember Cynthia and Shayna going down to the other end of the park, and there were two black dogs down there, a darker brown dog. I don't want to say it was a lab, but there were other dogs down in that area. And when I left the dog park, Shayna was lying down, and she looked fine. I didn't
Did you
see...
notice Lexi running towards Shayna? And
No, I did not.
Did you hear the yelp?
No.
Is Lexi a good dog?
Yeah, she's a very good dog, but
What kind of a dog is Lexi?
Siberian Husky.
That's a tough dog. It's a good dog.
she's a good dog. I mean, it's a dog park. I mean,
Yes, I understand.
anything can happen to anything, and you enter it at your own risk.
But you didn't see Lexi attack Shayna?
No, I did not. And if I thought our dog caused the damage to Shauna, we would have agreed to
sure.
maybe split the bill or something.
I understand,
And
I
we've been
understand.
going to that park for 5 years, and we've never had an incident, and Cynthia's bad-mouthing us, telling people our dog is vicious. She doesn't want our dog in the
understand.
dog park.
No, I
mean,
know
no one
there's a
else
whole-
has
there's a
told us
whole-
not to go to the dog park.
May I hear from Miss Coco? So nice of you to come today.
Thank you, certainly.
And you own a dog that you claim Lexi had bitten in the past.
Yes.
And the Siemens were gracious enough to pay the bills for that. Is that the idea?
My dog was running along the fence, and Lexi came up and T-boned my dog and bit her. And I remarked to Marty that your dog just bit my dog. And he says, no, she didn't. And I said, yes, your dog just bit my dog. And he goes, no. And I said, well, yes, it did. And look.
And then, of course,
You could see the wound.
You took the dog to the vet, and the Siemens paid for it.
Well, they were not forthcoming at the time with their name
that
or...
is not
No, I'm
true.
saying, no, but what I
That
wanted
is
to know, no, but I want to know, and I'll help you, Ms. Seaman, in this sense. Did they pay for the damages incurred as a result of
I
their dog,
didn't
Lexi,
know
biting your dog?
At the time, who they were.
But did they eventually pay?
Yes, I handed in the bill, and
All right.
they eventually did
Well,
pay.
all right, so they did the right thing. Is there some assumption of the risk? Is something in the law, and I remember as a lawyer, called assuming the risk. Is there some assumption of the risk when you go to a dog park and you let your dog run loose with other dogs?
Well, if you want to get into some extenuating information,
No, I don't. But I want to know there's a sign at the dog park that says you're responsible for the actions of your dog. So let's keep that in mind.
it says
Yeah.
enter at your own risk.
That's the assumption of the risk. It's
Correct.
a delicate balance we'll get to. But I think we've heard enough now where the issue is crystallized, and then we'll move it over to the jurors. Thank you all for coming.
Up next, it's the celebrities' turn to bark questions at the litigants.
Your dog's a pussy, that's all there is to it. Doesn't want to get in there and scrap.
When jury duty continues. Welcome back to Jury Duty, where Hollywood Court is now in session.
Just by way of a brief recapitulation, the plaintiff, Cynthia Rosenfeld, claims that the defendants, Barbara and Martin Seaman, owe her $530 in veterinarian bills due to the bite she claims her dog Shanna sustained by the defendant's dog Lexi. And that's the thrust of our suit. Before we turn it over to our talented and wonderful jurors, Ruth, you came to show support, and also, please stand, dear, if you don't mind. And I understand you know the Siemens and you like them, and they're upstanding and good people, aren't they?
I like all of them.
And you also like Lexi as well.
Yes.
Lexi's a good dog.
Yes.
So I didn't want to leave you out, but I did want to ask the Siemens this before I turn it over. Just stay with me quickly. With regard to Miss Coco's dog, when you eventually paid the bill, would that be, in your mind, an admission, just stay with me, that Lexi had bitten Miss Coco's dog? Was that a subtle admission, or did you just feel you wanted to pay to get
I
it over with?
wasn't there that night.
I was
He
at the park on that particular occasion, and Carmela came up to me within minutes of the supposed act.
And made the accusation.
And I wasn't going to call her a liar.
All right, okay, fine. So you
So-
answered my question.
yeah.
Answers you did the right thing. Whether or not it's an admission of guilt, we'll decide that later.
Correct.
Ms. Keymah, she's going to lead off the questioning today with the parties and the dog bite dog case.
Now, you said that if the dog did the crime, you would be willing to pay half. Did you pay half before?
No.
In fact, the truth of the matter is, because that was the only time an event like that occurred, I just didn't think I paid her bill. But in retrospect, going back and talking to other owners at the dog park, they all told me, even an animal control officer told me, you probably shouldn't have paid more than half. That would have been
the
fair.
Consensus. Okay. Shayna hasn't moved much. She's not doing any drugs, right?
No.
Now, you said that the greyhounds run and then they lay down.
Right.
We didn't see her running today. What's the deal? Why is she down?
She's probably bored.
She's got it. I'm good.
Well, that's not good for the show.
No, I'm just kidding.
Miss Rivers, you want to help us?
She's alert during commercials.
She's alert during commercials.
Pop right up.
Watch. You said that there were 3 dogs.
Yes,
Lexi, is it Shayna or Shanna?
Shayna.
Shayna, and a third dog.
Yes.
And the third dog was running.
Was in back of her, behind her.
And do you remember what kind of dog this was? Big dog, little dog?
I think it was a lab,
Okay.
but Lexi
so
was
approximately the same height and size as Lexi.
maybe bigger.
Okay.
Or I don't remember that well because it's a dog that doesn't come very often.
So, but everyone agrees there was a third dog in the mix.
Yes,
Now, you
sure.
didn't see it happen.
I saw Lexi T-bone Shayna, run into her.
Wait. We never heard about the T-boning. The T-boning
I saw
was in the other
T-boning came
incidents.
from Miss
Okay,
Coco.
well, I didn't use that term
T-bone,
before.
T-bone, I just want to establish on what T-boning is. T-boning to me is if the other dog or a car or whatever is against somewhere they can't go and you get hit sideways.
No, actually, Shayna was running this way and Lexi ran this
Right
way into
angles,
her.
yes. At right angles.
Yeah. On the
Perpendicular.
side that she was bit.
No, I understand. No, they're only explaining. You don't have to worry
Okay.
about anything. Bruce, can you solve the matter for us?
Well, I feel your pain because I've been shedding all day. And I'm close to tears. But Ms. Rosenfeld has a piece of paper which she's kind of holding like Monica Lewinsky's blue dress.
Oh, all right. Well, let's give it to
The
Sergeant Yu.
admission of Barbara Seaman that her dog bit
Thank you, Sergeant.
Carmela's dog. She said she was sorry that her dog
This
bit
is not about
Carmela's dog.
Carmela's
I understand.
dog.
I know,
it's
but he
a
was-
prior act.
Yeah.
Remember I told you about prior acts? They come in for a limited purpose. It's admissible, but we'll see what weight we give it.
Where did she just tack that on the dog park door or something?
No, when she sent her the check,
Oh.
she enclosed that little note.
And so you
Admitted that she was sorry that Lexi bit Carmela's dog,
Right.
Lila.
It was a considerate thing to do. I mean,
Yeah, well, she was sorry.
yeah.
And Carmela was very civil about it. I mean,
Yes,
there was-
I
Yeah,
understand that.
she didn't blame us at the time. I don't know why she's
I would
blaming us
like
now.
I would like to get the animus and antipathy out of the dog park. I'd like everybody to be happy, but I do want the jury to go back and try to make sense of it all.
Betty White has a
My
question.
dog plays with Lexi all the time and has never been bit for 3
Oh, I
years.
said that, Ruth. I know that, Ruth. I said that Ruth is a character witness for Lexi. So do your best.
Your dog's a pussy, that's all there is to it. Doesn't want to get in there and scrap.
He's a good person.
It's a sweet dog.
A good person.
Court is in recess. Thank you.
The pet owner says her greyhound was attacked. The neighbors say it wasn't their dog that did it. Hear what the celebrities think about this rough case.
We have this dog that has a criminal record.
Puppy has priors.
Yes.
This is like CSI Dog Park.
It is.
We can't run these.
When Jury Duty returns. You're watching Jury Duty. More drama than you can shake a stick at.
All
So?
right. Let's get these bitches sorted out.
Exactly. So we have
A dog park.
a dog
We have a
park
dog park.
and an incident to which there is no witness.
There's
a
no
perfect
witness.
crime.
Right. Well, there were people nearby, but they didn't see the actual bite.
Yeah,
But they heard the yelp.
Okay,
And-
we have this dog that has a criminal record.
Puppy has priors.
Yes.
Yeah. And she's a T-bone artist.
And well, we know she didn't T-bone.
This time.
Allegedly.
They get scrappy.
Okay, if you look at these pictures of
And you see the
Shanna's
pictures-
wounds,
Right.
my first question is, how could that not have been noticed until
Yeah.
hours later?
That's true.
And I got home and I went to take off her collar, which you can see is really thick.
Yes.
And I noticed there was a gash in her neck.
Which makes me wonder if it was just like a bump or a play, or there was something that happened during play, not intentional bite. And then if you notice, Lexi wears a very wide red collar.
Yeah.
That it rubbed it and rubbed it and rubbed it and rubbed
Yeah,
it and rubbed it
right.
and made it significantly worse.
I mean, if it had been my dog and I was proving that another dog bit him, I'd say we need a mold of that dog's teeth, get the teeth marks and then show the bite mark and say those teeth made that mark.
That'll cost you more than $530.
This is beside the point.
This is like CSI Dog Park.
It is.
We can't run these elaborate tests, Horatio.
It's a dog-eat-dog world. What can we say? No, I think that the fact that that it is at your own risk, and that they didn't notice right away, even though the dog yelped.
Look at this wound. Okay, you're gonna have to.
I don't want to.
You're gonna
look
have
at
to.
it.
Because you're gonna tell me if this is how, if this is the, you would have noticed at the time.
Okay.
You would not have been able to put the dog in the car.
It's shaved. I mean, the area is shaved.
Shaved, but
so
it's significant.
But it's a real.
Okay.
It's real. Okay.
Ah!
Yeah.
Okay, wouldn't you have noticed that if the greyhound skin and hair is that thin, which it is, wouldn't you have noticed that immediately?
I need a moment. Oh.
You okay there?
My breakfast is back down now.
You're saying what they're claiming is a significant bite.
Yeah.
I think that no matter if it's a big bite or a little bite, if the other dog's bitter, then he's
But
at
there is
fault.
nipping and playing.
Well, yes.
And Lexi did not take the other dog down. Like, she didn't go, it didn't appear that she went in an aggressive...
It wasn't a dog fight, there was a bite.
Right.
Or a running nip.
Right.
Or a bump. And that's why I said maybe there was something on her collar.
I think
That's why I asked about the collar.
they
The collar that bumped, that's why I said, is there any decoration that it could have gotten caught?
And they're claiming that Lexi didn't cause the bite.
Right.
And that's why they're not going to pay this thing.
Right.
Will the jurors throw the plaintiff a bone? Will the accused neighbor end up in the doghouse? The verdict's next on Jury Duty. You're watching Jury Duty. Don't even try getting out of it.
Ms. Rivers, has the jury reached a unanimous verdict?
Yes, we have.
Sergeant, can you retrieve that for us? Thank you very much. And thank you, jurors. Before I open it, I wanted to thank you all. You're lovely people, all of you. Please make peace with one another in the dog park and out of it. You just look like good people and good neighbors and nice people. We're all sorry, and I felt badly about Shayna. I felt that there was just a lack of evidence to link Lexi to it. And I felt that the prior incident with Lila, which is Miss Coco's dog, the Siemens responded pretty promptly and paid. So for me, I felt Lexi was in the clear. This is just me talking. I haven't seen the jury's verdict, and I don't interfere with them. And it's jury duty, so what they say counts. The jury has decided to hold for the defendant, meaning they're not in any way saying anything in derogation of you, Miss Rosenfeld, or Shayna, or Miss Coco. Here we just don't know, so we're giving the benefit of the doubt, if you will, to Lexi, and saying to the Siemens, you're not liable legally for the damages incurred to the dog. And we wish everybody well, and God bless you, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Court is adjourned.
The jury has ruled in favor of the defendants, Martin and Barbara Seaman. They are not held liable for the $530 in veterinary bills.
If my dog yelps, I investigate why my dog is yelping. If my mother yelps, I investigate. All creatures need to be investigated.
Today's show has been brought to you by award-winning Hatteras Hammock, Roman Arc Cypress Hammock Stand with large quilted hammock of weather-resistant Duracord in willow place pattern with deluxe neck roll pillow from Hatteras Hammocks.